Dry matter is a very important statistic to keep track of during harvest. And I'm going to show you how to measure dry matter using a very small air fryer. Normally these are much larger, but this one is a 2.5 quart air fryer that you can find online for about $50. And it takes up less space than the great big ones do that we normally see. So it's got a basket just like the ones that you've used before in your home kitchen. It has this screen, which we're going to use on top of the silage sample instead of at the bottom where you normally would sit. And you need a gram scale that you can tear out to 0. And of course you need a sample. And today I'm using a silage sample that's already been harvested, but it'll give us the right idea of what we're doing. And we also need a log that you can find on sealprosilage.com or connoragriscience.com, and to record all of the statistics that you are going to be using. The first step is to label the basket if you have more than one air fryer going at the same time. Sometimes when you have a large harvest, you might want to have 1, 2, or maybe even 3 dry matter tests going on at the same time. So label that with the date, the time, and the field number that you're getting that sample from. So let's first of all measure with the screen how much this basket weighs. We're going to do it in grams. This basket weighs 532 grams. All right, now we're going to take that off, put this back on, zero it out, and we're going to put 100 grams of silage or sample into the basket. There we go, 100 grams. Then we're going to put this screen on top of the basket, on top of the sample, so that the silage doesn't fly around while we're doing the air fryer process. Then we're going to turn the air fryer on, and most of these air fryers will come with a pre-programmed setting. But what we want to do is we want to change the time to 30 minutes. And the temperature to 250 degrees. Okay, then we're going to press the start button, and the air fryer starts and does the process. It's been 30 minutes now at 250 degrees in this air fryer. And here's what the silage looks like. It's pretty dried down, but we're going to weigh this in the basket, grams, and that is 582. All right, so we're going to put it back in the air fryer and do this again at 250 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, our second round of air fry is finished. So we're going to turn our scale on to grams and see that we have 578 grams. Now we're going to do it one more time. 250. For another 5 minutes. Oops, 5 minutes. Okay, that's the end of the third air fry at 250 degrees for 5 minutes. So we're going to weigh the whole basket again. Be sure not to take that screen off. In grams, we have 576 grams. So in order to get the dry matter of this, we're going to take the basket weight, which is 532, and subtract 576, and we get 44. So that's 44% dry matter. And it's going into pile or bunker number 2. So that's how you take a dry matter test with an air fryer. It's a fast, easy, convenient way to get those dry matter numbers that are so important during harvest.